I know what I'm doing and I'm good at what I'm doing. But when I entered this new world of scaling up your business, venture capital, investors, being exposed to so many other people who are so good, na parang, huy, ang galing din nila. And sometimes when they speak this business jargons, I don't understand.
Wow.
Na parang, ay shit, ang bobo ko naman. Sometimes they also don't know what they're talking about. They're just
Right.
trying to
Sila rin
wing
pala.
it. Sila rin pala.
Oo.
Yun yung natutunan ko. Kasi when I become true to those feelings, when I acknowledge them, and I started talking about them to other people, yung ibang tao sabihin, girl, ako din naman.
Okay.
Oo, ako nga din galing na galing ako sa'yo. Okay, if she's good at this one thing, I'm better at her at this one thing,
Right.
you know? Parang we all have our own expertise.